Hi, let's take a look at a wealth management portfolio use case. And this first step, we're taking a look at about a dozen different indices, particularly in the year 2020, starting from January 1st through about August of that year. First thing you can notice is just across all the indices, you have this big crash at the start of COVID. And some of those indices recovered and some did not. And here we have the total portfolio, which just shows that, yes, there was the crash. They did suffer from the crash, but really a very good return by the middle of August, back up 28%. But really where flow shines is what happens when we dig in this next step. So now let's ripple out those stocks, all the different fictitious elements of this portfolio. This is just stocks. I know a real portfolio would have a bunch of other kinds of options in it, but just to make sure that it's simple and a clear story here. So you can see right away, Tesla just did incredibly well, and we can even isolate to show what Tesla did. And even compare that, make a couple of selections simultaneously, compare Amazon and Tesla together here or something like that. You can go ahead and interact with these menus as well. So go ahead and experiment. So in this portfolio review, it's really important to understand that Tesla's a huge run up has actually unbalanced their portfolio. Here, Tesla has gone up to about 13% of the portfolio, which, especially a high risk stock like Tesla, probably indicates that we should rebalance the portfolio, take some profits from Tesla. You can just see that so clearly across so much data simultaneously, see the ups and downs, see the level of detail all in a single view. That's really pretty exciting, including the prior step where you can isolate and compare each and every stock. We hope that your audience can walk away with a really clear mental model of the information without going through page after page after page of PowerPoint charts or printouts.